So this is the Standard Gazel. This should be around Mark II, 1970s maybe. I just found it near the Jawa Yezdi factory in Mysuru. The only existing part of the factory is the wall, and the rest all other part land is being developed by the Sankalpa Crown someone. Yeah, see here, this is the name. So only that much part of the factory, original factory, is remaining now. The birthplace of Jawa Yezdi. And here I found a Standard Gazel in this condition. The seal beam is original Lucas. The speedometers are original Yankai, as you can see here. Okay. And here's the steering wheel. Here's the steering wheel, and the condition you can see. The badge, original Lucas seal beam. The came with pilot lights. Here is the pilot light, and there's the indicator, and the grill, chrome grill, original black number plate. And here there should have been the original badge. Now it's missing. And yeah, this is the door. Oh, it opens. You can see the gear stick and the dashboard with the buttons, and here's the glow box, broken although. Here's the boot space. I cannot open it now. The 3 light tail lamp and the boot space. So this is the Standard Gazel. If anyone knows anything more about this car or this company, please let me know in the comments. Do follow G2 Bullet on Instagram and YouTube as well. So I was here at Mysuru, the factory of Jawa Yezdi, original Jawa Yezdi factory at Mysuru, which the land has been sold and the factory has been demolished, and only this part is been existing, and I don't know for how much time that part will will exist more, because the place is being developed for residential area. Chalo. G2 Bullet from Mysore.